Gaza, trouble in Iran, drugs in Nicaragua, drought in the Sudan, wildfires in Greece, tornadoes in US. We go on and on in spite of all this mess. But this train is for best for Beckton, it doesn't care at all about kings and presidents, about their rise and fall. It's going round and round every single day, with ordinary commuters who doesn't have a say. Another brand new virus, another stupid man. Ants just keep on working from the fire to the pan. Situations change, often in a wink, and we all are helpless, cannot do a thing. But this train is for best for Beckton, it doesn't care at all about kings and presidents, about their rise and fall. It's going round and round every single day, with ordinary commuters who doesn't have a say. The train is moving eastbound, station to station on the map. It's safe, but when you get off, beware and mind the gap. But this train is for best for Beckton, it doesn't care at all about kings and presidents, about their rise and fall. It's going round and round every single day, with ordinary commuters who doesn't have a say.